Today I'm going to be replacing a gas well control for a Richmond water heater. The issue with this water heater is the pilot light will turn off. You can relight the pilot light and you can set the burner frame into the desired bake frame that you want. But once the temperature reaches to whatever temperature you set, it turns back to the pilot light, and then the pilot light doesn't stay. And so I have replaced a couple thermocouple, but that wasn't it. And so I'm going to replace the blue piece here, which is the gas well control. This is one. This is the one that I'm going to be replacing with. But before someone is doing this, you got to be turning off the gas well, the gas line here. Turn it off. For me, I got to take the union off, and then take all these pipe out, and then take it out from this piece here. It's kind of dark in the basement. Then take off the blue control, gas control, and then just replace it with the new piece. Oh, and of course you got to take off the thermocouple at the bottom, the big gas line, and the pilot gas line. And just put everything back on, and then light up your pilot light and turn it to the desired temperature. These are, give me the light. These are the tools that you're going to need: plier, a number 10 wrench, a number 20 wrench, some monkey balls, some paste for pipe paste, joint paste for threading the pipe back on. This here is just like a Windex soap I put in there, mixed with water, and after you put it back, spray your soap right onto these joint, and then watch to see if there's any bubble. If it's bubble, gas leak. No bubble, you're good to go. And so yeah, the issue that I'm doing it is because the pilot light keep going off. And so when it's ready, when the water is cold, then it cannot relit the big burner frame again because the pilot light is not there. Then you have to come back and light the pilot light manually in order to do it again, and you have to do that pretty much every day. And so that's why I am replacing the gas well control. Hopefully this is it. This does it. I actually have the same issue with another water heater of mine at a different house, and I did the same thing, replacing this, and it works. So I think that is it. Normally, if it wasn't turning off, like the pilot light wasn't turning off the way it is, the thermocouple, which is this little guy here, would be the problem. And once you replace that, that would solve it. But in this case, no, I think it's the gas well control. All right, thank you. Nó nọ là tôi cứ nhia tôi khó luôn tàu đề thâu đề à lúc nào cũng lúc chế sau của tôi ở xem để tôi lấy cho đề cũ lúc tàu đề cũ là nó được chỉ trong rồi tôi cũng lại tới phong tôi thì cũng thì tôi mua lúc xưa nó lấy thì lòng ấy lúc xưa nó to mất thay đó kia đồ sẽ được cái tu hoa mà mất tấm mảng là ô li nó sư ô trong đó